Okay, so you have seen accounts, sabi nila kumikita sila online sa paggawa lang ng mga digital products. Pero ano ba talaga yung mga digital products na yon? Digital products, ibig sabihin mga audiobook, ebook, mini courses, coloring books, e-planner. Pero paano nga ba gumawa ng digital products? Yung iba, ginagamit nila Canva. Parang editing software yon. Pero ang nakakatuwa sa Canva kasi very user-friendly. Canva, C-A-N-V-A. User-friendly siya, lalo na sa mga beginner like us or like me. Kasi may mga template na doon kung anong gagawin mo. Gagawa ka ba ng Facebook covers, gagawa ka ba ng flyers, gagawa ka ba ng presentation, ng mini guide. Andun na yung mga template. Papalitan-palitan mo na lang yung picture, yung text. So, konting editing lang, parang basic skills. Pwede mo nga ma-access sa mga tutorial noon sa Google lang or sa YouTube. Meron ng mga instructions para doon. Pero paano pa rin kung hindi ka pa rin ready gumawa ng sarili mong digital products? Meron ka pa rin bang opportunity na kumita online? Oo naman, meron naman. Lagi namang merong option for us. So, ano yung option mo? Be an affiliate. Affiliate marketing meaning magpo-promote ka ng product na hindi mo naman ginawa. Affiliate marketing, matagal na to. Matagal na nag-exist to. Siguro, hindi ka lang aware. Taka may langgam. Hindi ka lang aware na dun sa word, dun sa term, hindi ka lang aware na pwede palang kumita through being an affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, like I mentioned, you are promoting the product that you didn't do. Either physical or digital products. Pwede yon. With what I am doing, the Profit Builders Academy, it's an educational program wherein you will learn everything that you need to know about digital marketing. Doon, hindi ka lang nila bibigyan ng opportunity to learn about it but also to earn money while being on it. They are actually looking for ambassador that going to promote the academy. Halimbawa ako, I am an ambassador of the academy and I have seen all the courses, the mentorship, the community, the all done for you system. All done for you system meaning andun na lahat. Ipopromote mo na lang kung ano yung nakita mong value ng mga courses, edi promote mo. Kung naniniwala ka dun sa product, i-promote mo because you won't be able to recommend something na hindi mo naman alam. Pero ako kasi, I stayed as a student first to learn more about it and alam ko na maraming magiging benefits yun sa karamihan. Lalo na kung mag-enroll ka ng digital marketing sa school, you will spend a lot of money. But here, you actually don't need to spend lots of money. You don't need to break your bank in order for you to learn something about digital marketing. Yeah, true. Lahat naman matututunan mo na kung YouTube mo lang or Google mo, lahat makikita mo na, lahat matututunan mo na how to grow audience, how to build your brand, how to target your audience. Lahat yun na nasa YouTube na o kaya nasa TikTok, lahat ng mga social platform, binibigyan ka na ng tip. Pero ang kaibahan kasi kung nasa academy ka na, compress na yung courses. Everything is given to you na mga 100 plus modules na yon andon. So, ipopromote mo na lang yung academy. Pero meron pa isang great thing about it. They are actually giving you PLR. Again, I didn't know about what's the meaning of PLR. So, private license rights. Bibigyan ka nila ng mga hindi libre, mga done for you templates na pwede mong i-edit tapos ibenta mo. So, ang ganda nun kasi ginawa ka na nila ng produkto, i-edit mo lang to put your brand or your name, tapos ibenta mo sa iba. Pwede mong ibenta as is na ma-view lang nila or pwede mo namang ibenta na pwede rin nilang i-edit tapos pwede nilang ibenta. Yun ang isa sa way kung papaano ka kikita. Nag-stop kasi yung video ko kaya ako nag-stunt. Kung paano ka kikita online. So again, if you are not ready to create your own digital products, pwede ka pa rin kumita online being an affiliate or ambassador of the academy. Like I said, they are actually giving you a lots of option how to earn money online. You don't need to create your own product. Promote the academy, but I am thinking don't promote something that you actually don't know what it is. So, know the product first. And then, kung naniniwala ka dun sa produkto, dun mo promote kasi alam mo na marami mga mabe-benefits yun sa lahat. So, save this for later. Again, my name is Melissa. I am new at digital marketing. Pero, of course, I am a busy mom too. We have a restaurant and I wanted an extra side hustle on top of what we are currently doing na hindi ako mai-stress sa extra trabaho na kukunin ko. Yun lang. So, connect with me, let me know, and then maybe this is something that you might be interested in doing as well. So, yun lang. God bless us everyone.